Hey there. Did you know your credit report might have mistakes that could cost you big time? Let's fix that. Your credit report is a vital part of your financial health, but it's not always perfect. Common errors include incorrect personal info, accounts that don't belong to you, and late payments that were actually on time. First, grab a copy of your credit report from one of the major agencies. Give it a good look over, checking for any discrepancies. Find a mistake. Don't worry. Step 1. Gather documents that prove your claim. Next, contact the credit reporting agency to dispute the error. They've got 30 days to investigate. If they find you're right, they'll fix it. For trickier issues, consider a pro like Australian Credit Solutions. They can guide you through the process, making sure your credit report reflects your real financial history. Remember, keeping your credit report accurate helps maintain a healthy credit score. Happy checking. Happy.